Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emiway here. And before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emiway family. We're on the road to 1K, so please tell your friends, your family, and your associates about joining the Jules Emiway family. I'll be starting with in this video will definitely be my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax, and this is a pencil and styler, and apparently it's meant to be the universal shade. For those who haven't seen the packaging, this is what it looks like. A nice sleek tender package. Just winding this up for you guys. So this is the wax, and on the other end you have this silicone brush to it. Stunning. And I'm now gonna brush up my brow hairs. And I'm going to apply this on my brows. It's the first time using a product like this, so I really and truly do not know what I should expect out of it. It does smell like glue though. I don't know if I'm using way too much product or if I'm not using enough, because I really have really thick brow hairs. Taking back the silicone side once again to make sure this is nicely distributed. It is flaking off white. Probably I need to use my fingers. Yeah, I'm preferring how my finger is applying it more than the brush itself, because I don't feel like the brush is allowing it to stay flat. I'm doing the same to this side. Okay, so for first impressions on the brow gel, I am not in love with it, but I feel like for the first time I may need to use it a bit more to get the handle of how to use it properly. But the outcome of it all is excellent. But realistically, my brows are not flat, dead flat onto my face. I don't know if that's how it's meant to be, but I'm just gonna go with the flow, and I'm liking the outcome of it all so far. So for the next step, I'm going to take the snap shadows. So for the snap shadows, I have number 9, which is 9 wine, and I have number 10, which is 10 money. So number 9 wine looks like this in the pan. It has been swatched already. So these are swatches of 3 shades out of the palette, 3 shades out of the wine palette, and 3 shades out of the money one. To be honest, they do not come off that pigmented swatch, but for me, as I always say when I'm reviewing a palette, is that it's not how it's swatched, but it's how it appears on the eye. Now, I do own Snap Shadows 3 and 6 from Fenty already, but I'm going to show you 2 different looks using the 2 different sides today. So just let me jump right in. So to start off this look, I'm going to take my Anastasia eye primer. For those who have never seen it, this is exactly how it looks. This is the smaller version. They do have a bigger version to this, but this is the 7mm, and they also have a, I think, a 15mm, if I'm not mistaken. So to start off, I'm going to start with my PC47 Peaches and Cream brush. And it's this small detailed brush right here. And for those who don't know, you start with the smallest brush first, darkest shade, and bring it to light. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to wing it. I'm legit going to wing it. But because I need depth in this look, I'm taking this deep brown shade first. I legit forgot how deep this brown shade is because I legit put this palette down. But I guess for traveling purposes, it works wonder. So I'm going to stop that brown right there. I'm going to do the same on the next eye. And I'm gonna go back in with the Money palette, and I'm gonna take this lighter brown shade right here. Taking my Peaches and Cream brush in PC22. It is a clean brush, but it's stained with blue. And I'm gonna take this on the outer corner. I'm gonna just take that right in. I'm gonna take this green shade this dark green shade right here. From the one application, it does come off very pigmented. The next color I'm going to take is this color right here and make it pop in the inner portion. You can see that the look is coming along nicely, just like okay. For the final product of Fenty for this portion, and I got it in Cocoa Drizzle. This is how stunning the packaging looks like. I did have the original one, lost it, repurchased it, lost it again. I just gave up on purchasing it, but I did love the first or the original formula of it, hence why I went out my way to repurchase it. So this is basically how it looks, the Doe Foot applicator, how the product looks. Now to swatch it for you, this is how it looks. I love a brown glossy or a brown tinted gloss or anything of that sort. Apply this first on my lips, and then after which I'm gonna use my lip liner, lipstick, and use this as a topper. And this smells amazing. So basically this is how it looks. Okay, so for a nice lip combo, I think I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and this one is in Foxy Brown. And I'm gonna take my Patrick Ta Oh She's Single lipstick. Then I'm gonna top it off with the Luscious Lip Balm. So lining my lips. This is the lip combo so far. Now I'm going to top it off with the lip balm. For a balm, it is super glossy. This is the finishing product, the first portion.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All my ladies rolling.
Take my P. Louise base in Rumor number 3. You're taking my Peaches and Cream PC18 to just blend out this eye base. Taking this purple shade right here. I'm just gonna stamp that on. For this look, I feel like I'm gonna go in with a cut crease look. And this purple comes off very deep, like how I like it. But for those of you who has not realized that I used 2 different bases in today's video, I started off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And then the next one, I used my P. Louise base in Rumor number 3. And the reason for that is for those who have either would have the opportunity to feel like they can achieve that look or any look using those bases. So I'm just gonna go in with this, forming a upside down C shape. There's no fallout coming off on my face from these shadows. For the next shadow, I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm taking this on the outer portion to blend out that purple shade. That purple is coming off like a purple black, and that has diffused the purple shade enough for my liking. Now I'm gonna do the next. My P. Louise blank canvas. Now that I've got that over and done with, I'm gonna go back in with the purple shade and I'm gonna blend out the edges. I'm gonna try and use as much shades as possible in this palette. So I'm gonna take this brown one, then this one, and then so it's from this brown one to that one, then that one. That brown shimmer shade. Then going in with the reddish shade. That brown shade, by the way, was very easy to apply on the lid a while ago. Now taking this shade right here. Taking my black liner. Taking that purple shade once again on the outer corner just to mesh that black in. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Mini Purple Mascara and put on my bottom lashes. I don't know if you guys can see the purple mascara on my bottom lashes, but it is visible, but not that visible, if that makes sense. I do have the original Fenty mascara, but it's not my favorite mascara either. I prefer my Benefit Bad Gal mascara or my Huda Beauty Legit mascara. Those are my top two high-end mascara. But if I was to say a good dupe for my high-end, it would be the Revolution mascara. And this is the look that I've came up with my eye. I do love it. It's very simple, but what more can you actually get out of the palette? You feel me? What more can you so Fenty had came out with the Underdog Stunner lip paint, and I did get this one in Christmas. She did bring out the larger version to it, and really and truly I'm not interested in getting the larger version. She currently came out with the original size of the Mademoiselle lipsticks. I have almost all of them because I'm a Fenty whore, but for you guys I will be putting it on today right now for you guys to see what it looks like with this look. So you can right here, you can definitely see the difference in size in the doe foot applicator of both the mini and the original size. Okay, taking the lipstick. Okay, so this is the lovely lipstick in Underdog, and it is a lovely wine red.
If looks could kill, baby, you'd be an AK.
So this is the end result of the two looks that I did today. I hope you guys did enjoy the look that I did with both number 9 and number 10 palette. I felt like it's a quite simple look, but could be a look that stands out and make a statement. We've now reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below, leave me some thoughts. Until next time, bye.